guys, do you struggle with your hair looking like this, or this after it dries and the back looks terrible like bedhead after day one? Well, I do too, and I recently came across a short where a creator parted her hair in 4 different ways using clips and dried it in an unconventional way. So today, that's what we're going to try. So if you're interested in getting your hair to look luxurious and not look like bedhead after day one, let's go ahead and get started. So we're starting with our curls freshly washed, and you're just going to part your hair into 4 sections, and you're going to use these clips to keep them in place, and then you're just going to style your hair. Alright guys, my hair is freshly washed and currently soaking in dripping water. So I'm just going to take my fingers. The part doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to part the first section in the back. So my first section looks like this. I'm just going to roll it in a little ball, so, and then I'm going to take a clip and I'm going to clip it. Then I'm going to go in with my second section. Got my ball, clip it. My third section. Roll it in a ball. So you're starting out with the front. Go ahead and make sure it's nice and detangled. I'm going to go in with the Bounce Curl leave-in conditioner, the Bounce Curl gel, the Bounce Curl avocado clump oil, and I'm going to rub my hands together and comb it through my curls. I'm going in with this first section with the Bounce Curl brush, and I'm brushing outward, making sure I'm not pulling from the other section. And then I'm twisting, moving to the center, same motion, twisting. Gonna take my hair and scrunch it a little bit. Now we're gonna move to this next section. Take a section, making sure you're not disturbing the curls you just did. I like to twist the brush at the bottom. Do it again. Third section. This is a bigger section, probably the biggest one, so we're gonna make sure we're distributing really well. Go take the first section, get my Bounce Curl brush. And for our very last section, we have the back. Work that product all through your hair. Take the first section. My back always gets matted more than any other part of my hair, so I always do a brush through more than I do the other parts of my hair. So we're going to do the same method. Brush your hair up. Try not to get your other sections caught up in there. So I'm going to take some mousse in here. We're going to use some Curlsmith mousse and apply that to all my curls. We're going to scrunch up. Go ahead and glide your hands in your hair. And we're going to flip our hair. And then you're going to glide your hands out. So now we don't have that weird part. Now we're going to diffuse and see what it looks like. And just like that, we have curls, we have the back of our head looking nice and full. It actually has a lot of volume back there. So I really actually like this stacking method because it definitely added more volume to my roots. But let me know down below if you guys want to try it or if you like the results and how they came out. I am very happy to see how it came out. Thank you guys for joining me today and trying something new. I will see you guys next week.